Hello and welcome to our Bluing Tech training videos, where we discuss common features of the BIT app and website and how to use them to your advantage. In this video, we will be discussing the process of assigning your BIT air scales, which is the first step in getting them fully running. Each of our BIT products can operate under the same application for ease. To find the page to access our AirScale features, tap the three white lines at the top left. Here you'll see different options for our products. Let's go ahead and tap AirScale. On this screen, you'll be able to select any vehicle and it will display here. Let's go ahead and select the vehicle that we would like to assign our AirScale to. To do so, tap Select a Vehicle here. This will bring you to a list of your carrier's vehicles, where you can add one or simply select one from the list. In this case, I'll go ahead and use one we already have and tap 3-1. Now that we've got our correct vehicle selected, let's go ahead and assign our sensor. When you tap on the green gear, you'll see an Assign button in the list. Step 1 will be to find your QR barcode, which is on the back of your AirScale packaging. This is by far the quickest and easiest way to assign your AirScale. Next, you'll go ahead and tap on the Next button, and on the next screen, you'll need camera permission in order to scan your sensor. As you can see, it's a pretty quick process. So from here, I can go ahead and select the vehicle I want to assign, which is 3-1 from the list. And here, I can select what axle the sensor will be on. In this case, I'll be selecting the drive axle, though you could use steer, pusher, or tag, whatever is appropriate. Then I just want to confirm that sensor 19 will be assigned to the drive axle on 3-1. Once I've done that, I can go ahead and hit Save. Here you'll see that the default calibration has been saved, though we do want to go ahead and do our own calibrations, which will be in our next steps. While using the barcode is the easiest way to assign your sensors, it's not the only option. So let's go ahead and go back into the assignment screen. Here you'll see I don't have a QR barcode. This will allow you to pick your sensor from a list of sensors that your carrier has. I know that I have sensor 19, so I'll go ahead and select that here. And you'll see from here, the process is the same. I'd select the vehicle, the axle, and confirm. Now, what happens if you select I don't have a QR barcode, but you find that your sensor is not on the list? That's okay, we have an option for that as well. So when you go into the assignment screen, you'll see my sensor is not on the list. At this time, it will prompt you to enter the sensor label, which I'll enter 19, and hit Scan. At this point, I'll need to move closer to my sensor to try and get a reading. And you'll see that once a reading is received, the app will inform you that your sensor is in the process of being reassigned to you. From here, please contact our support team to continue this process. Once you've completed your assignment process, the AirScale page should now look similar to this, showing you the axles as well as information for each sensor, such as label, battery health, PSI, and when it last read. Now you're ready to move on to our next step, calibration. For any other questions, please feel free to search out our other training videos, knowledge articles, and of course, our support team. Thank you for watching, and as always, drive safe.